Are you tired of feeling drained while trying to lose weight? You're not alone. Many people hit an energy wall when balancing intense workouts, calorie tracking, and a hectic schedule. What if I told you there's a way to stay energized, crush your workouts, and burn fat faster, all without hitting that wall? Stick with me for the next minutes, and I'll share the top energy-boosting supplements that can transform your weight loss journey and help you feel your best every step of the way. Let's start with the basics. Why is energy such a crucial part of successful weight loss? Think of energy as the fuel that powers your body. Whether you're running on a treadmill, lifting weights, or simply staying active throughout the day, your body needs energy to function. But here's the catch. Dieting and exercising often create a calorie deficit, which can leave you feeling drained and unmotivated. Low energy doesn't just mean you're tired, it means you're more likely to skip workouts, reach for unhealthy snacks, and lose focus on your goals. In fact, research shows that fatigue is one of the top reasons people abandon their weight loss plans. But don't worry, there's a solution. By incorporating the right energy-boosting supplements, you can keep your motivation high, enhance your performance, and achieve your fitness goals faster. Let's explore the best options. Now, let's get to the exciting part. The top 5 energy-boosting supplements that will take your weight loss journey to the next level. These aren't just any supplements. They're scientifically designed to support your energy, metabolism, and overall health. First on our list is Mitolyn. This isn't just another supplement, it's a breakthrough in mitochondrial health. If you remember your high school biology, mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cells, and Midin works directly at this cellular level. By improving mitochondrial function, it helps your body produce energy more efficiently, leading to increased stamina for intense workouts, optimized fat burning for faster weight loss, improved mental clarity to keep you focused, overall vitality that makes you feel amazing every day. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to break through a plateau, Mitolyn is a game changer. Ready to experience it for yourself? Click the link in the description to grab Mitolyn now. Next up is Nagano Tonic. Inspired by traditional Japanese medicine, this supplement combines powerful antioxidants and herbal extracts to naturally elevate energy levels without jitters. Support digestion for better nutrient absorption. Enhance metabolism for effective fat burning. Nagano Tonic is perfect for anyone looking for a natural and holistic approach to weight loss. Its unique formula not only boosts energy, but also supports your overall health. Want to learn more? Check the link in the description. Are you a coffee lover? Then you'll love Java Burn. This innovative supplement blends seamlessly with your morning coffee to kickstart your metabolism and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. Here's what it does. Accelerates fat burning by boosting your metabolism, provides sustained energy without crashes, helps you feel more alert and productive. Java Burn is easy to use and incredibly effective. Just mix it with your coffee and you're good to go. Click the link in the description to get started. For those who need all-day energy, the Advanced Mitochondrial Formula is a must-try. This supplement offers comprehensive support for your mitochondria, helping you combat fatigue and improve endurance. Key benefits include enhanced stamina for long workouts or busy days, improved cellular health to keep you feeling your best, long-term energy support without relying on stimulants. This formula is ideal for anyone looking to maintain high energy levels while supporting their overall health. Shop the Advanced Mitochondrial Formula today. So, are you ready to take your energy levels and weight loss journey to new heights? These supplements are more than just products. They're tools to help you succeed. Explore the links in the description for exclusive offers and start feeling the difference today. Thank you for watching. Remember, energy is the key to unlocking your weight loss success. With the right tools and mindset, anything is possible. Let's make this journey your best one yet. See you next time.